Hello and welcome to the third Quikport tutorial. In this tutorial, before we run Design Wizard, we're just going to have a look at the Load Cases and Combinations Wizard. Because this is a Eurocode design, the combinations of actions can be a little bit tricky in Eurocode to set up, so we've produced a wizard which makes it very simple and straightforward. Quikport's wizards are on the File menu, so if we pull this down, and we run the Load Cases and Combinations wizard by clicking here. This is the introduction text. We click Next. Now it's telling us the frame contains loads. These will be retained along with the load cases. All good. Click Next. This is the table of the load cases which Input Wizard has created, and these 5 values at the top which have been set by Input Wizard. If you want to know more, as always in Quikport, just click on the help. And here's a full explanation as to what it all means. Okay, we don't need to change anything, so we're going to click Next. Okay, these rather odd looking factors are down to Eurocode. Fortunately, we don't have to type them in. There is a lookup factors button, and we can select for the normal UK National Annex for industrial and commercial buildings. Or if we pull down, we can see that BS 5502 Part 22 is covered, both Class 1 and Class 2. And there's also an entry for the Singapore National Annex. I'm going to leave it set as UK, and that indeed is these factors here. Again, if you want more information, you can click on the help. So we're going to click Next. Okay, I'm going to keep it set as the simplest. There are 2 ways of doing it, but the simplest is going to be absolutely fine for our use here. So I click Next. Okay, when Eurocode first came out, there was surprise in some quarters that we didn't any longer need to combine our imposed roof loads with wind loads. As Eurocode, as people have got more used to it, it's clear that we don't. We only have to combine snow and wind loads. That said, at some point the BCSA produced a document that said we should continue to do so. Now there's a help button here, and you can find out all about it in this text. For the purpose of this demonstration, I actually am going to, and that's because our snow load is incredibly light in the south of England, but also because with Eurocode it can produce some extremely light frames. We also use 355 steel now, so deflection tends to dominate, so there's no harm in doing it the old way. So okay, I'm going to click Next here. The Load Cases and Combination wizard now has all the necessary information. Click Create now and click Next. Okay, so it's all done. If we want to look at the combinations, we can see them. Quite a lot of combinations, but that's to be expected with Eurocode. So the ultimate limit state combinations are at the top. These are used for base loads. And then further on down, just here we can see the serviceability limit state combinations. Okay, so these are Eurocode, and these are the BS 5950 ones. Eurocode. Okay, and finish. Okay, that was the third tutorial. In the next tutorial, we will be looking at the Design Wizard. Thank you for watching.